Good morning, children. Welcome back to the session. Hope you have done the worksheet given to you. So, in your previous session, we have learned about the largest continent, that is Asia, and the second largest continent, that is Africa. Isn't it, children? And today, we will be learning about the next continent. Let's see what it is. Children, this is North America, the third largest continent of the world. North America is the third largest continent of the world. Asia is the largest continent. Africa is the second largest continent. And North America is the third largest continent of the world. Look at its location, children. This is North America. You have learned that you have Asia here and then you have Africa here, isn't it? And so today, this is about North America. This is the location of North America, children. This person is called Christopher Columbus. Is called Christopher Columbus. Children, he is an Italian explorer. Explorer, and he was a sailor. So in his voyage means he used to travel on the sea, sailing on the sea. Okay. So in his voyage, he actually wanted to come to India, children, because he was from European countries. Okay. And so he wants to come to Asia. He wanted to find the sea route to Asia, but he landed on the Caribbean islands. Caribbean islands, the islands that are near North America. So, in the process of finding the sea route to Asia, he discovered North America in the year 1492. Children, Christopher Columbus was an Italian explorer. He wanted to find the sea route to Asia from Europe, and unknowingly or by chance, he reached Caribbean islands that are on the coast of North America, and so he discovered North America in the year 1492. Christopher Columbus. Okay, children? And in North America, there are two technologically advanced nations. Country. Okay, North America is a continent, and in North America, there are two technologically advanced countries. One is USA. Children, you might have seen this many movies when they show you about US, that is America, they might be showing you this image, that is the Statue of Liberty. Okay, so those technologically advanced nations of the world, one is USA and the other one is Canada. This is the flag of Canada, children. Okay, other one is Canada. So these are the two technologically advanced countries that are located in the continent of North America. And now we will see the physical features of North America. Children, these are the mountains, the highest mountains called Rockies. The highest mountains in North America, they are known as Rockies. They are known as Rockies. Look at the location of Rockies in North America, children. This one. So on the western side of North America, the Rockies or the Rocky Mountains are located. You can see here, children. Children, before I was telling you about Caribbean islands, right? Look here. So this is the North America. This side of it you have Europe, and so from here when he wanted to reach to Asia, like I told you about Suez Canal and so on, you might have learned in the previous lessons, right? So when you are learning about that, you have learned that from Africa people used to travel, so instead of that Suez Canal was constructed, right? In the same way here, we have from the Europe, instead of reaching Asia, turning around the Africa, he reached Caribbean islands. He reached Caribbean islands that Christopher Columbus, just before we were talking about him, right? So these are the Caribbean islands, and so by chance he has discovered North America. Okay, so coming back again to our topic. that is Rocky Mountains, the highest mountains in North America. So they are located on the western part of North America. You can see their location, children. These are the Rocky Mountains. And these are the 5 lakes. They are called all together, all the 5 lakes together are called Great Lakes. They are called the Great Lakes. Lake Superior, Lake Ontario, Lake Huron, Lake Erie, and Lake Michigan. Children, these are the 5 Great Lakes. They are called Great Lakes. Okay, these 5 lakes together are called the Great Lakes. And the largest group of freshwater lakes on the earth. That means these are the freshwater lakes, children. We have, even in lakes, we have salt water also. There are some lakes which have salt water. But these are the 5 Great Lakes that have the largest freshwater. Okay, the largest group of freshwater lakes, these 5 lakes, children. These lakes are located in North America. I'll show you their location. Look at their location, children, here. Lake Michigan, Lake Superior, Lake Huron, Lake Ontario, and these. Can you see, children? All these 5 lakes? Yes. So these are the 5 Great Lakes that are located in the North America. So here we had seen the Rockies, that is on the western part, and now on the eastern part of North America, we can see the 5 lakes, the Great Lakes. And other important physical feature of North America is Yellowstone National Park. Children, Yellowstone National Park is famous for the scenic beauty. Scenic beauty means scenery, that you can see the nature, okay, the beauty of the nature. And you have hot springs here, okay, children, and protected wildlife. Wildlife, generally national parks, that is constructed or that is made to protect the wildlife in its own natural way. Right, children? You have learned in 4th class about national wildlife sanctuaries, right? So this is also one of them, Yellowstone National Park. And generally springs means we have water that comes out from the earth, okay? But here in Yellowstone National Park, hot water springs. Hot springs means nothing but generally in the springs we get normal water, regular temperature, normal temperature water, like our cold water. But here we get hot water, that are hot springs, that are called hot springs. So Yellowstone National Park is famous for its scenic beauty, hot springs, and protected wildlife. The next continent that we are learning today is South America. The next continent that we are learning today is South America. Look at the location of South America in the map in the world map. Children, this is world map and this is the South America. Okay, to South America, on the west it has the Pacific Ocean. To the east it has the Atlantic Ocean. To the south it has the Antarctic Ocean. And to the north it has the North America. This is the 4th largest continent of the world. Which is the first largest continent, children? Yes, it is Asia. And the second one is Africa. The third one is North America. And the 4th largest continent of the world is South America. Look at the South America, children. This is South America. Physical features. In South America, the largest rainforest. Rainforest. Children, when we say, the name itself says it receives high amount of rain throughout the year. And it is just because it is having high amount of water or high amount of rain throughout the year, automatically it will be dense forest. Dense, thick. Okay, thick forest, densest of the world. The Amazon rainforest, the largest forest and also the densest forest of the world. Densest, very thick forest. That means that you can see everywhere completely green and very thick. Trees are very close by. Okay, densest forest of the world. And you can see the Andes. Andes are mountains, children. Andes are the mountains. You can see the location of it. You see here orange in color. But these are not Andes mountains, children. This side orange is not Andes mountains. Okay. Only here, that is, this is Andes mountains. Okay, children, these are in the South America. In the North America, we learned about Rocky Mountains, right? And in South America, it is the Andes. River. This is a river, children. It's River Amazon. River Amazon. Okay. So it's this is the river. You can see the river, and you can see the location of the river here, children. From this side, it flows. Children, actually, you see from here, the river flows and it mixes into the Atlantic Ocean. Okay, from here, from this area, the river flows. These blue color all lines are tributaries, children. They are all small rivers, small streams of water. Okay, so this river flows and reaches till Atlantic Ocean. Okay, the river Amazon, and it is the second longest river. First river we learned about Nile, right? Okay, the second longest river is river Amazon, and this is the world's largest in terms of water. That means fresh water. We already learned about that we have only 2.7% of water, fresh water on the earth, right? We have learned about it. And so in that water, 1/5 of the fresh water is in this river. That's why even though it is the second longest river, but according to the water, I mean the volume of water that it contains, or the volume of water that it flows, it is the largest river in the world. 1/5 of the world's fresh water, you will find it in river Amazon. Okay, children. Now we are learning about isthmus. What is it? Isthmus. What is an isthmus and why are we learning about an isthmus? Okay. A narrow strip of land with the sea on either side, forming a link between two large areas of land. A narrow strip of land, you can see here, a narrow strip of land with the sea on either side. This side you have Pacific Ocean, this side you have Pacific Ocean, and this side you have Atlantic Ocean. So with the sea on either side, forming a link between two lands, that is North America and the South America. So this is called isthmus. Generally, isthmus is a narrow strip of land with the sea on either side, forming a link between two large areas of land. And here we are learning isthmus because of Isthmus of Panama. We are learning it because of the Isthmus of Panama. What is this Isthmus of Panama? Actually, Isthmus of Panama connects the North America and the South America. Isthmus of Panama connects the North America and the South America. Okay, children. So far we have learned in this session and in the previous session about this lesson is that we have covered the water levels that are on the earth, like 2.7% we have water, fresh water, and then we have remaining all the salt water, and on the whole earth 71% is covered with water and 29% is covered with land. And today we have even learned about Asia and also Africa, and today we have covered about the North America and the South America. So now, are you all ready with your maps, children? I think in my previous session, I have reminded you to keep ready your maps, right? Okay. So this is your world outline map that I have asked you to keep ready. Okay, for today, we will be marking only 4 continents that we have learned so far. Okay. So here, children, look at the map. This is the world map, children. On this side, you write the directions. That is east, west, north, south. In your 4th class also, you have learned about it, right? So here, there you learned about India map, and today we are learning about the world map. So here you please mention the directions, that is east on the right side, west on the left side, and north on the top, south to the bottom. And then write the lesson. For you as an example, I have mentioned only 1 children, but you can write the remaining 4 here: Asia, Africa, North America, and South America. But where you have to locate your map. I mean, where you have to locate your Asia. So for that, first, before marking Asia, you need to divide the two continents, children. Okay. So for that, what you have to do is you take a black pen or even your dark pencil. That is not a problem, children. So this is your world map. Yes, this is your world outline map. So here you have a small shape, right? You can see, I'll show you on your screen also. Here, children, from here, you just connect it till here. Okay, you connect it till like this. You can see here one shape, children. Yes, you can see here on the screen. So from here, that is from the Mediterranean Sea area. This is Mediterranean Sea, Black Sea area, children. So from here, you just connect till here. But before connecting, see that you connect till Caspian Sea and then you go, or else. So here, children, this is Asia, children, to this right side. So all this part is Asia. All this area is Asia, children. So from here directly you just connect like this till here. From this line to this line till here you connect. That you just remember this shape on the top, so that till there you can connect. And here you remember this shape. So from here till here you connect. But you leave the part on the left side. This is your right side part, that is Asia. So write Asia, take a color, but you remember, children, you are not supposed to use this blue color, light blue color. I'm showing you the light blue here, right? You should not use this color. Okay, other than this color and black color, you can use any other color that you are interested in. So write Asia with a pencil here and use the color pencil and color all this part. Okay, and Africa, you color till here. You can just make it like this line, a small line, and then you can color. All this part is Africa, children. All this part is Africa. And then North America is still here, and the South America is here. But children, before that, let me tell you once again, you have learned about Isthmus of Panama, right? See, this is the Isthmus of Panama, children. This is the land area, thin land, the narrow strip of land that is connecting North America and South America, but it has water on the both the sides. Okay, this is called Isthmus of Panama. Okay, as of now, we are not marking Isthmus of Panama, but when it comes to marking, I will let you know how to mark it. But today, we just mark it. This is North America and this is South America. Okay, and North America is still here only, children. North America till here, and this is all comes under South America. Okay, I have even posted you in the beginning when I explained to you about North America and South America. I have showed you the map of North America on the world map and the map of South America on the world map. Accordingly, you mark. Okay, children. So while you are marking the maps, be careful that you follow proper regular rules that to be marked. Use only color pencils. Do not use sketches or oil pastels or anything else. Use only color pencils and use pencil. Do not use pen in the map. Okay, children. Don't use the pen in the map. Use only pencil and color pencils. Do not forget to locate the directions. First mark the directions, write the legend, and then mark the map. So for today, you will write, you mark these 4 continents, that is Asia, Africa, North America, and South America. For the next session, we will learn the remaining continents. Okay, children. Thank you. Have a great day.